Okay, the best Premiere Pro shortcuts. I'm going to start first with the basics, the main ones that are very important, which the first one is to select. So when you crop a video, um, then you like to select some of the videos, right? So what you can do here is to select a video, hold Control to select, all right? Hold the Control Control Shift. When you hold Shift, you can select videos. Now, if you want to copy the video, Control plus C, and then Control plus V to paste your videos. Now, as you can see, and if you want to zoom out your timeline, use the middle button on your keyboard, on your mouse, the wheel on your mouse, and hold Alt. All right. Now, of course, you can do this from here as well, but we're learning shortcuts. Now, and another way to duplicate a video instead of using Control C, Control V is to actually use Alt. Hold Alt and drag your video. And now there's 2, 3, just hold Alt while you drag this video. All right, so it's pretty cool. You can duplicate really fast. Now you can also highlight and delete, press on your keyboard, delete. Now deleting it's easy, just press on your keyboard delete, right? But when I'm deleting the video, right, there's this space left between these videos, and this can save you more time if you use this shortcut. So you select your video and then you press Control Shift plus 1 second, Shift delete. It's much faster. So not Shift plus black backspace, Shift plus delete. As you can see, we're also deleting the video, but also the space. And if you want to ripple a clip, you can actually just go at the end of this video and just drag. Right? You can drag, and this way you ripple the clip. And if you want to move your playhead, you can also use the arrows on your keyboard left and right. So on your keyboard, the arrows, you can use them. And if you press the keyboard, the arrows up and down, you can also move the end of your videos. So you'll move the playhead right at the end of the video or at the start of the video. Now you can also press on your keyboard home button, which will move the playhead right at the start of your video. You know, of course, if you want to play a video, just press on your keyboard space, press on your keyboard space. So when you press place, the video starts. That's the shortcut. Just press space. And now if you want to cut faster, you don't want to just go here and then grab the eraser. If you want to cut really fast, you can move the playhead where you would like to cut and just press on your keyboard Control plus K. And this is fast. Now doing this, you move the cursor, pressing the shortcut Control plus K, and look how fast can I cut. I think this is a great shortcut and can save you a lot of time. Now to undo, Control Shift Z to undo, and redo. You can see here also to undo, Control plus Z, to redo, Control Shift Z. All right, Control Shift Z to, as you can see here, to redo. If you want to undo, of course, Control plus Z. Now of course, if you select your video and your clip, so if you select both, then of course it's going to cut the video and also the audio. So if I select the video and press Control plus K, now we'll cut the video right there. But if you want to cut the audio as well, you can also unlink. If And if you want to unlink your audio from your video, because now when I drag this audio is also the the video, and I'm dragging the video, I'm moving the video, the audio is falling up as well. So I would like to unlink this. So the shortcut is Control plus L. Oh, yeah. And yeah, now you can click on select the audio and click on delete on your keyboard. And the shortcut to add text is actually T. And I remember this very fast because you just remember T title. So that's really fast. Now you can add your title. You see? And if you want to delete this portion, you have to press twice on your keyboard W. All right? And you see now I deleted what was here. Now, let's say I want to delete this, select and W. You see? And that was for before, but let's say you would like to cut the video right at the beginning. So if I move the playhead here, I like to cut this portion. I play Q, and now it's not there. So you deleted it. You just have to press Q on your keyboard. You see? And now J, K, and L. So K will pause, J will move the cursor before, and then move the cursor, L, continue to the other side. So these are the back and forth commands or shortcuts. J, back, L, forth, K, pause. Now the shortcut to save your project is actually Control plus S. As you can see, what I'm doing is like save project. And if you want to actually export, what you can do is actually use the shortcut. To export your project, you have to press on your keyboard while you select your timeline, Control plus M. And now this will move you to the export window. And now if you want to add a transition, let's say you just cropped your video and now you'd like to add a transition here. So you add a transition to your video. What you have to do is to press on your keyboard Control plus D, and now we have here a transition. This is the default transition, the cross dissolve transition we automatically added to this video. But if you want to change that, you can actually go to Effects, Video Transitions, and here I would like to use the slide effect transition. And now I right click and set selected as default transition. Let's actually use this one. And now here, when I actually select video and I press Control plus D, I have transition added automatically to my video. And this can save you a lot of time. Now, instead of going there to the effects, looking for the effect that you want, that you use the most, you can select that effect as default and then just press Control plus D. And also a great trick, not trick, but something I found in Adobe Premiere is that you can actually go to Edit and here in keyboard shortcuts or use Control Alt K and here just press on a keyboard and just if you press on that keyboard D, as you can see, it highlights that. You can see here what it does. So these are the commands. The default transitions, you can see all the keyboards. So for each keyboard, if you press on, if you, let's say you hold shift and then you press on, then you can hold shift, you see what it does. If I hold shift and then I press S, toggles audio. If I just press S, or if I press Control plus S, save. So I can see all the shortcuts here, which is so awesome and so helpful. I don't have to search for the shortcuts. I just press that Alt. You know, Alt, what it does. Well, if you press Alt and there's nothing here. There's increase leading, as you can see, decreases leading by 1 unit. If I hold now Control. So yeah, here you can see all the shortcuts. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Make sure you subscribe for more videos, and if you have suggestions for the next video, let me know in the comment section. So thank you so much for watching, and I wish you the best. And I hope you're gonna have a fantastic day. Take care.